Hi guys, your online training partner CA Tilotma is back with a new video. Guys, in the previous video we have talked about tax collected at source and tax deducted at source on a nutshell. In this video we will talk about the provisions of tax collected at source at length. So let's begin. So let's start with the first section, that is section 206C subsection 1. So if you're a seller of the goods listed in the left panel, that is alcohol for human consumption, scrap, mineral, timber or tendu leaves, then you need to collect tax from the buyer at the rate specified in the left panel. That is, for alcohol for human consumption, rate at which you need to collect tax from the buyer is 1%. Similarly, for other goods, it's 2.5% and 5%. So in this provision, there are 2 points which need to be taken care of. First is it's alcohol for human consumption. That is, it is not alcohol for industrial consumption. Second is the sale consideration is not specified in the section. That is, even if you are selling the goods for 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 1 lakh or 50 lakhs, you need to collect tax. So there is no ceiling of the sale consideration specified in this section. The second provision is section 206 subsection 1A. So in this section, it is clearly mentioned that provisions of TCS is not applicable when the sale or purchase is done for further manufacturing or further processing. Let's take an example. Tata Steel manufactures iron and steel. For producing iron and steel, it procures iron ore from the market. But in this case, Tata Steel is not liable to pay tax collected at source because it will use the iron ore in the production of iron and steel. So let's take another example. For power generation plant, coal is a major raw material. So the power generation plant buys coal from the market. So in this, the seller who is selling the coal to the power generation plant does not have the liability to collect TCS from the power generation plant, because as the subsection clearly state that provisions of TCS is applicable only the uh, when the sale or purchase is done for further trading and not for manufacturing. The next section, that is section 2061C, talks about payment for lease or license payment for parking lot, toll plaza or mining or quarrying. So let's take another example. I have entered into a lease agreement with Kolkata Municipal Corporation to use a parking lot. So monthly I will pay some consideration to Kolkata Municipal Corporation. The Kolkata Municipal Corporation along with the license fees will also collect a tax from me at the rate of 2%. So this is provisions of section 2061C. Now let's talk about subsection 1F. I'm not skipping any section. Subsection D and E has been deleted by Government of India. So subsection 1F talks about sale of vehicle above 10 lakhs. So whenever any vehicle is sold, the sale consideration of which is above 10 lakhs, the seller has to collect tax at source at the rate of 1% from the buyer, which we have already talked on length in the previous video. Friends, now we have come into a very important part of our video, that is amendment inserted via Finance Act 2020. Finance Act 2020 has inserted 4 new subsection under this provision of tax collected at source. The new provisions are subsection 1G, 1H, 1I, 1J. So first let's talk about subsection 1G. Section 1G will be attracted when you make an overseas remittance of above 7 lakhs. Secondly, when you take an international tour package of above 7 lakhs, then tax will be collected at source. So in first overseas remittance, tax will be collected at 5%. In the overseas package tour also, the tax will be collected at the rate of 5%. However, when any educational loan is taken, the rate is very reduced. It is 0.5%. So now let's quickly come to the new subsection, that is subsection 1H. Subsection 1H states that whenever a sale is made of any goods, sale consideration of which exceeds 50 lakh, then the seller has the responsibility to collect tax from the buyer at the rate of 0.10% on the sale consideration exceeding 50 lakhs. For example, you have made a sale of rupees 60 lakhs. So, since the sale is exceeding 50 lakhs, the provisions is attracted. So, you have the responsibility to collect tax at source from the buyer. So, on what amount will you collect tax? Since the provision states that the tax will be collected on amount exceeding 50 lakhs, that is, you will collect tax on 10 lakhs. Because your sale consideration is 60 lakhs and the provision state that amount exceeding 50 lakhs, so you will collect tax at the rate of 0.10% on 10 lakhs, that is rupees 1000. This rupees 1000 collected by you will be deposited to the government account against the PAN of the buyer. So by now you have understood all the provisions of section 206C. Now I have a very important question to ask you. By now you have understood that whatever taxes collected need to be deposited to the government under the PAN of the assessee. However, what if you do not have the PAN of the assessee? Let's take an example. Mr. Ankit Khetan is going for honeymoon package. So Mr. Ankit Khetan approaches you. You are a tour operator. I need a tour package of international tour package of 14 lakhs. And Mr. Ankit Khetan is very lazy in submitting all his documents. He has not given you his PAN number. So what will you do? What is the tax which you will collect from Mr. Ankit Khetan? You will collect tax at the rate of 10% from Mr. Ankit Khetan. Because the rate of international tour package exceeding 7 lakhs is 5%, but Mr. Ankit Khetan has not given you his PAN card. So you will collect tax at the rate, double the rate or 5%, whichever is higher. In our case, it is 10%. So if you are going for any international tour package or making a foreign remittance or buying any goods specified in section 206 section 1 or any other provision of section tax collector resource, do remember to submit your PAN card to the seller. So guys, we have discussed all the major provisions of section 206C, that is tax collected at source. In case you have any query, please get back to us. And if you want us to make video on any other topic which you think is very important to you, please write on in the comment section. We will surely make a video on that. Thank you.